Day 97 is this matchbook, hidden matchbook tag, which is super fun to make with your base and then a little matchbook pocket on top. How fun is that? You just make your little matchbook and attach it to your tag. So I'm going to show you how to make this. I hope you'll stick around. This is part of 100 Days of Junk Journal Tags, and I am thrilled that we have been doing these for 97 days. And Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts has been a trooper, joining me all along every day making these tags. So please go visit her channel and check out her vision of this tag as well. And this booklet is available on my Ko-Fi site if you would like to purchase it. It is a digital download and you can start crafting right away. We also have a playlist, so don't miss it. Let's get into it. So today we're making a hidden matchbook tag. The matchbook is not really hidden, it's just kind of like a secret because you don't necessarily usually do this on a tag. So we're going to use our tag base, which mine is 4 inches by 5.5. Then I've cut another piece that is a little less than 4 inches, but 7 inches long. And we're going to use this to make our matchbook. It's really, really pretty. So I'm actually going to fold it up from this angle. But before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and ink the edges of this sheet of cardstock, which is going to become my matchbook. And then we're going to punch our hole, go ahead and punch our hole and do a little background with this to create some texture look before we put this on. Now this is really pretty, and I got it with some papers that I got, like texture papers, a little pack. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just tearing it. It doesn't have to be exact, but it will be in the background behind the matchbook. And I think that will be great for our tag to have a little background behind it. Okay, and this is soft, so probably don't need as much glue as I put, but it'll be good. And we're going to make a matchbook. A matchbook is pretty easy. You just fold up the bottom about, I would say about 1 inch, depending on what you're making. And you can use your scissors, your bone folder, whatever you want to crease your edge. And then you're going to take your stapler and you're going to put a couple staples in. And I usually do them about halfway up. And you can mark it if you want to, but I just kind of eyeball it. Okay. And then you're going to take the top and you're just going to tuck it in like a matchbook. And then you know where you want to crease your top. So make sure that we've got it even. Okay. So this will glue onto here like that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of embellishment on here, and then we'll see what we want to do on the back of our tag. All right, I put a little of that same paper to add some texture here, and then we're going to put a little label on. I'll just put it right there. And then we can put a butterfly on one side. We'll just do it like this. Then we'll put a little word here. Some ephemera, maybe we'll put that one on, and then we can tuck those in our matchbook. These are fun to make for your pages too. And then we can just put this on our tag. So we're just going to glue it down like that. And then we can add a butterfly up here. Butterflies flying all around. Love butterflies. You guys love butterflies too? Okay, we can have this one coming down. And then we can add some fun ribbon. Let's add this blue. And then we'll just tie it. And that is a really cool tag, right? Just tie it at the top. And here we go. And then you can just open it up. And there's all your goodies inside. And then just close it back. And I'm playing with the glue here. I don't want to knock anything off. But there we go. What a fun tag, right? Well, we have 98, 99, and 100. So we have 3 more days of tags videos. I'm sure there's many, many more. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this tag with me, and have a great day.